Hello, Digital Realm. I am Professor of Prompt, and today we will continue to level up our prompts. If you watch 1 minute of this, you'll immediately get better results. In the last video, we covered the basics, the golden trio of prompting, who it is, what to do, how to respond. If you want better results than everyone else, we just need to add a little more clarity. Think of AI like a very capable intern. It knows a lot, but it needs clear boundaries to do exactly what you want. Here are 3 simple ways to take your prompts to the next level. Instead of asking for general advice, tell the AI who it should be. Act as a senior software engineer reviewing code. Act as a travel agent focused on budget backpacking. This narrows what the AI pulls from and changes the tone immediately. The more clearly you define limits, the less fluff you get, such as keep the response under 100 words or do not use technical jargon. Constraints act like guardrails. They stop the AI from guessing and rambling. If you care about style or format, show the AI what good looks like. I want you to turn movie titles into emojis. Finding Nemo equals fish, heart, wave emojis. Star Wars equals rocket, swords, star emojis. Copying a pattern is easier than interpreting instructions for AI. When you combine all 3, prompts become powerful. Most people would write something vague like, make me a meal plan. However, we will start with a basic beginner prompt using our golden trio. Who? You are a professional nutritionist. What? Create a 3-day meal plan. How? Use a table format and include calorie counts. But we want to give the AI clear direction, so let's add a little more detail. You are a registered dietary aide working with athletes. Create a 3-day nutrition plan for a vegetarian endurance athlete. Use a table format. Include estimated calorie counts for each meal. Avoid soy-based products. And for an example, day 1, breakfast, oatmeal with fruit and nuts, 400 calories. And here's a perfect list that it just gave, and it's still generating everything for us. This is how you stop getting generic answers and begin tailoring the prompt to you. The key takeaways for this video: persona sets perspective, constraints control output, examples lock in style. We only add words to add clarity. Better prompts are not longer, they're clearer. In our next video, we will begin to explore prompt engineering. I'm Professor of Prompt, and I'm teaching you 1-minute tricks every day.